Hi there! This video series is about building our own Emacs configuration from scratch, a setup that is comfortable to use. In the previous video, we created an init.el from the .emacs file and exported by Emacs. In this video, we dare to write the configuration ourselves. Okay, first things first, launch Emacs. This startup screen might be useful for an absolute beginners, but you may find it annoying, a tedious list every time you launch Emacs. So let's disable this welcome screen as a starting point for our Emacs config. Open init.el by pressing Ctrl X, Ctrl F, then press the file path and press return. By the way, we will edit init.el many times in the future, so it'll be handy to shorten this opening process. Let's harness an Emacs and a bookmark facility for this. Press Ctrl X RM to register the current file as a bookmark, and then press Return to accept the proposed default name, init.el. Bookmarks can be called from any buffer in Emacs by pressing Ctrl X RB. You can also view the list of bookmarks by Ctrl X RL. Back to the main topic. Let's write the configuration for inhibiting. As you might know, the contents of init.el are written in Emacs Lisp, a Lisp dialect dedicated to Emacs. The aforementioned setting can be described as shown. A statement is surrounded by an opening and closing parentheses, and its operator setQ sets the variable inhibit startup screen to T. Then, let's check what inhibit startup screen is. The easiest way to do so is to move the point to the variable and press Ctrl H or to open the help buffer. The help says that if the variable is non-nil, then the startup screen is inhibited. In eLisp, there is no pure Boolean type. Nil represents false. The symbol T is commonly used to denote true, but any non-nil value is treated as true. Let's restart Emacs with meta-x restart Emacs. I inadvertently missed saving init.el, but Emacs benevolently helped me by asking me to save. Press Y. The scratch buffer appears instead of the startup screen. This buffer is very useful. You can jot down anything, and you can also evaluate Lisp expressions there. Next, let's make the scratch buffer simpler. Move to init.el and set initial scratch message to hello Emacs. The setQ operator can accept multiple variable value pairs. A simpler scratch buffer has arrived. As you can see, one of the most popular ways to bend Emacs is to set a pre-existing eLisp variable. We will learn more in the near future. I hope to see you soon. Please smash the subscribe button and also check out the Enjoy Emacs GitHub repository. Goodbye.